Hi there, today let's talk about one of the most important topics in trading. When is the best time to trade? There isn't one simple answer because it all depends on your strategy, the market you are trading and what kind of conditions suits you best. But one thing is sure, the market works in a different phases through the day and each of them has unique characteristics. Let's take a look at the three main sessions: the Asian, European and US session. We will go through what makes them different, how much volatility each one brings and how to adjust your trading to fit the session and stay one step ahead. The first one is Asian session, a slow start to the day. The Asian session runs from around 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. Central East Time. This is when the market is just waking up, and to be honest, this is the slowest part of trading day. It's not the best time for traders who are looking for a big moves or strong momentum. Most currency pairs stay in the tight range and the market trends move very slowly or just go sideways. It's hard to catch good setups and the spreads can be wider due to a lower liquidity. That being said, yes, you can trade during this session, but it requires a different approach. If you are a swing trader or someone who holds trades longer, this could be a good time to find a calm entry. But if you are a day trader or a scalper, the Asian session might feel frustrating because not much is happening. The next is European session, when we usually see the first big moves. The European session begins around 8 a.m. and lasts until 1 p.m. This is when things start to get more active. Volatility increases and more traders join the market. We also get important news releases, central bank speeches and other events that can move the market. During this phase, the market often targets the highs and lows of the previous sessions, which gives traders clear reference points. This session gives you more dynamic price action, better liquidity and cleaner market structure. It's a great time for those who love trading strong movements with good momentum. The last one is US session, where we can see the most action and risk. The US session opens around 2 p.m. This is when things get serious. Big volume comes in, especially from American institutions, and major market moves begin. Instruments like gold, oil, indices like Nasdaq and S&P 500 are the most active during this time. We also get key economic data from US like job reports, inflation numbers and Fed announcements. It's the most volatile part of the day. Perfect for experienced traders, but also it's very risky. Scalping during the session can be tricky because price movements can be fast and unpredictable. 1 second you are in profit, the next you are stopped out. So you need to be sharp and your strategy has to be tested and ready for these conditions. When the US session begins to close, the market naturally starts to slowing down. Volume drops, volatility decreases, and the most traders finish trading. This is a good moment to review your trades and ask yourself a few important questions. Does my strategy work best during high or low volatility? Do I know when not to use my strategy? What conditions help me to make best decisions? So being aware of when your strategy works and when it doesn't is the key of becoming a consistent trader. Some of the people love the energy of US session. Others prefer the calm of the morning. You have to find what fits you best. So what's the best time to trade? There is no one perfect answer for this question. Each session has its pros and cons. If you like slow and careful market, the Asian session might be right for you. If you prefer action and momentum, go for European session. And if you are looking for a biggest moves, the US session has the most opportunities, but also the most risk. Just make sure your trading style matches the session. That's what makes the difference between frustrations and results. All-in Traders projects offers several proven strategies designed to work in different times of the day. No matter if you trade early in the morning, during lunch or maybe in the evening. Here are a few examples. All-in ASAP works best early in the morning till 11 a.m. All-in range strategy performs best after 8 a.m. when the market starts building the first structures. Happy Night is built to be used right after the market opens, so if you like to trade at night, this is the right strategy for you. Price action cycle gives you the best results during the US session, when the market is the most dynamic. That way you can choose a strategy that fits your daily routine and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, let us know what time do you usually trade and why.
If you want to start with a trading, sign up for a free webinar, link in description.